Welcome back, guys. And remember, go check out my I'm getting a new dirt bike channel. Video. I didn't get a dirt bike on that video, but I'm showing you I was. And here it is, guys. It's a Honda XR ADR. It's a really nice bike, and it's in great shape and stuff. I love this bike. Okay. And I'm going to be driving in the back valley down over there. It's down more farther. You can't see it. So I'm going to be driving back there, video recording, showing you guys stuff. So I just wanted to check in with you guys, and yeah. So I can't start it up because it's all raining, but I'll start it up some other time. I got nothing's broken on it or nothing. Nothing's missing. It's almost brand new. Turn it on. Yeah, let's turn it on. And stuff. It's a great bike. I would recommend buying this for like your 13 or 12-year-olds and stuff. It's a great bike. I'm only 10, but I touch because I'm a little tall. And yeah, I'm just wanting to check in with you guys. It's 2003 Honda XR ADR. But see ya.